Good morning, y'all. Good morning, you guys. Yo, it's Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. Hold on. Wednesday? Tuesday. Yo. Tuesday? Wednesday? I don't know, y'all. Let me go check. I have no idea if it's Wednesday or Tuesday. It's Wednesday. Wow. It's Wednesday, you guys. Yo, it's 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock right now. I just now got here. You guys, it's been raining for the whole entire day today. Yo. I mean, the whole entire morning, it's been raining. So it just stopped like a few minutes ago. I was like, you know what? Let me head back and warm up. And I just received my first order, you guys. I hope today is going to be a great day because so far, I started receiving orders like when I was home. Like orders was coming in. So $29 for 8 miles, 3 customer drop off. So we started. Our first order is a very great order. I hope it continues being like this, just receiving a 2 digits offers over $20. Can we? Yeah, you guys, so let's wait for them to bring our order. And yeah, so far so good. You guys, he's done loading everything, so our first drop off is 6 minutes away. 6 minutes away. Let's go. So my map is saying that I'm not here and I'm here at the house. The map is saying you're not there yet. Yes, I am. Let me keep swiping until maybe it's gonna let me. Who knows? Guys, I kept swiping, but it couldn't let me, so I had to drive where the map is saying to go. And then I had to come back over here. Yep. Alright, let's take this first drop off. Alright, what second drop off? For that water. I wish I can use my wagon, but look at this here. We can use a wagon. Ugh. Let's go get the water. Oh, tired already. These steps. Yeah, I'm so happy. Super happy. My last drop off is in the same neighborhood. It's only 2 minutes to give it. Only 2 minutes. So super happy about this. Let's go. Delivered. Oh, let's go back. $16 for 2 miles. I'm only shopping for 11 items. So let's go. Okay, yeah, this is it. I said 11 items. It was less than that, y'all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It was only 6 items. Y'all, can you hear that? It's raining. It's pouring, y'all. It's raining like crazy. Hey, it stopped raining. As soon as I woke up, it stopped raining. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go deliver. Let's go deliver. It's only 6 minutes away. Only 6 minutes, guys. You guys see the rain? It stopped completely. Or maybe this part didn't even rain. Crazy. Here. Let's go deliver, y'all. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, here another bag. Okay. Alright, have a good one. Yes, another shopping order, you guys. $16 for a shopping order. It's going to Mayo, and I'm only going to shop for 20 items. Let's go. Y'all, I'm done shopping. I am done. Let's go at checkout. And y'all, look what this is mine here. This clothes over here, they was on sale, you guys. Look at this, $1. So I was like, yeah, let me grab some for my boys. And this is two t-shirt, and this is like only $4, y'all. So let's go check out. Some are $3, $1. I finally made it, y'all. We are here. Let's take everything down. Like once. Y'all, it's 3 o'clock right now, and so far we made $82. $82. So let's go back at Walmart, y'all. Let's go back at Walmart. Oh, it's been like 30 minutes without an order, y'all. We're just waiting here for an order, but finally I just received an order, y'all. Big one, $36 for it's going through Mayo, and I'm only going to shop for 22 items. Let's go, y'all. Let's go. I'm so excited about it, y'all. I'm so super happy about it. I'm getting 5 sodas. 5 sodas. Guys, I delivered the other order, the shopping order that I was doing. So right now I just got another order, y'all. It's $4.48 right now, and it's $20 for 80 miles, 3 customer drop off. So far the day is going great, y'all. So far I have like 3 more hours to work, because I'm at work until 8. So far so good, y'all. So far so good. This week has been a very good week so far. Today is Wednesday, so we have 2 more days to go. So I hope these 2 days is gonna be great, y'all. Let me know over there. Oh, I think it's because of this holiday that's coming. That's why we're getting orders here and there, you know. But I'm so thankful, and I'm feeling so happy about it, y'all. So thankful. Okay, yeah. This is our last drop off, yeah. Last drop off. I already dropped 3 of them. I mean 2 of them. So this is our last. Whew. So far so good, yeah. Now it's 5:20, so I'm about to drive back at Walmart to see if I can receive a curbside order when it's time to drop them, because they're gonna drop it for something. So I don't want to miss it. I want to be at Walmart. So let's go see if we can make it on time. Let's go. I'm done shopping for this order, y'all. It was $26, you guys. It was $26, and I only had to shop for 20 items, y'all. So let's go deliver it. Okay, yeah, I am here. It's time to take them down. Going over there. Should I put this in that? How far is it? It's okay. I'ma carry it. All right, last trip. Yo, it's 6:28 right now. It's 6:28, and I am on 166. So I'm only missing $34 to make 200. Can we make that $36, you guys? $34 actually. Can we make that $34 before we go home? Yo, I am reaching my goal tonight. Let's hope so. Let's hope, y'all, that I'm going to get $200 today. Today was super good, and I thank God that I was receiving high-paying orders. high paying orders really help me based on what time I started. I started around 11, so far so good. I think I received an order every hour since I came, so that's very good. Let's hope that we are making that $200 today, because we're only missing $34. So I just received another order, you guys. $21, but this time I'm going to shop for 2 people. It's my first shopping for 2 people today. 2 people, and it's only going 3 miles. So you guys, I only need $12 left to reach 200, and it's 7:10 right now. 7:10. Okay, I'm done shopping. Somebody asked me in a comment how, if I have 2 orders, how do I separate them? This is how I separate them, y'all. This is for one person, this is for the other person. Most of the time, if they give you 2 orders, one gonna be big and the other one gonna be less. And if this one happens to be a lot, I put some over there too. Yeah, this is how I separate them. It is 6 minutes to get to our first drop off, y'all. Only 6 minutes. I am loving this. Not far. Alright, this is our first drop off, y'all. Going to this one here. 8:05. Alright, our second drop off, y'all. We are here. I'm trying to make it one trip, y'all, and this thing over here decided to fall down and make me do double trip. I do not like doing double trips, y'all. So let's take a picture and go back at Walmart. Yo, it's 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock, and I'm waiting for that one more order, y'all. That $12 is what I'm waiting for, you guys. I don't know if we're gonna make it. I have no idea, but I still have like 30 more minutes to see if I can get that last order so we can make our 200. Can we? Can we make that $200, y'all? But if even we don't make it, yo, I'm still grateful. 188 is still good. So whatever comes. So you guys, let's wait for that order. So I'm about to go in Walmart to shop for my stuff. And if it gets to 8:30 and I haven't received nothing, that's gonna be it, y'all. That's gonna be it. But let me go into Walmart and shop for my items. But let me tell you, I'm done doing my shopping, you guys. It's 8:30. It's 8:30, you guys. So I received an order in there, but I didn't take it, y'all. It was $13 for 5 miles. I was like, I don't want to shop all this stuff for $13. But it was not even a lot. It was not even a lot of items, y'all. It was like 5 items for $13, 5 miles. I did not take it, y'all. I was like, I'm gonna get better than this. And guess what? I got 0. Yo, I received 0. Now I'm regretting why I didn't take that order. I only missed $12 and right now, and that order was for $13. See, I could have made my goal. Yo, and it's 8:30. I'm going home. Those $12, I'ma leave it, y'all. I'ma leave it. But I tried. But at the same time, it's my fault, because God gave it to me. And I acted greedy. I wanted more, but yo. Yeah, I'm going home. I'm not gonna wait any longer, y'all. 8:30, that's it. That's it. Yeah, let me go home. Tomorrow it's another day, y'all. Tomorrow it's another day. Whatever that we didn't get today, there is still tomorrow. There is still tomorrow. Let's hope tomorrow we're gonna get it. That's $12. Let's hope tomorrow I'm gonna make 212 so I can cover for today. All right, you guys, I love you guys. If you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Most importantly, y'all, don't forget to turn your bell notification on so every time I post, you get notified, y'all. I am going home. It's been a good day. It's been a long day at the same time, but super grateful. I love doing this gig work, y'all. I love being my own boss. Like, I love it. I just love it. I will see you guys next time. Bye for now. Yo, for some reason I was still online, you guys. For some reason I was still online, and guess what? Right now it's 8:43, y'all. 8:43, and they just gave me an order. Yo, I'm going to shop it. I am going to shop this order. I was going home, like maybe 3 minutes in, 4 minutes in, and I was still online. So they just gave me this $39, you guys. $39 for 5 miles. Shopping for 2 people. Yo, I am going back. Let's go back and shop this quick. Yeah, look at God. Look at God, y'all. Let me be so fast, you guys. I'm gonna be so fast in that store. You just never know. Hold on, y'all. Hold on.